Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gemma Faye. Today, this week is my off, so I have time to do all some work that I been wanting for so long. I'm gonna organize all my stuff, my makeup and everything. This is all brand new. The one I have that I used every day is over there and over here. Over there. This is one of my favorite. Yeah, this is new. Yeah, today I'm gonna do all my organization of my makeup. They're all new. This is never used, never used. And there's some here that I love it. This is one of my favorite primer. Anyways, that's my stuff that I'm gonna do today. This is one of my favorite. Yeah, getting so much. It's getting so much stuff. They're all brand new, never used. So this is what I'm gonna do today. Clean up and all the stuff. And some eyebrow stuff. Some over here. And I got all my Smashback primer water, and I have a bunch of this Urban Decays. When they had on sale, I bought a lot. Anyway, so this is what I'm gonna do today. Alright, subscribe to my channel. Bye.